How to get $80 Walmart promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here you will find the search box. Type in walmart.com and search for it. With that, you will be directed to the official website of Walmart. Now you can go ahead and log into your account, select the items that you want to purchase, and while you check out, you will find this section of promo code. Over there you can paste the code and you will get the discount. Now how can you get the Walmart promo code? For that, open a new tab. Now type in Walmart promo code and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. You can use any of these options to get Walmart promo code. So go ahead and open any of it. I'm going to open Time Magazine. After you open it, you're going to find great deals and offers. You can see that $18 off, 25% off, $20 off, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you are interested in. Just go ahead and click on Show Coupon. Now I can copy the coupon, head towards the website of Walmart, come to the checkout page, and then click on the promo code section, paste the code, and then confirm your order. With that, you will get the discount. Likewise, you can also give a try to these offers. Also, make sure to try out these websites, as these websites will also provide you working promo codes for Walmart. Well, this is how you can get up to $80 Walmart promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.